Good evening guys, this being a short, I have to make it really quick. So as you will see in this particular clip, I have been facing this kind of noise, this zzz kind of noise that you will hear. You might have to put your headphones on for this. This has been coming from my bike for quite a while now, ever since I came back from the Kolkata trip. So finally I got hold of the exact problem. The U-shaped bracket that was holding the 8JG fog light, that is what broke. It was in two halves. So today I went to Mahesh Motors and I got it fixed. Have a look.